Good morning, Suprabhatam from Aranyavas. This is the update of 27th November. So we planted all winter veggies here. Got broccoli, cabbage, cauliflower, spinach and coriander, cucumbers, tomatoes, these are tomato plants, some peas on that side, there, peas at the corner, some brinjal, cucumber plants, they started fruiting now. We've got some harvest. Peas we'll expect in a month or so. That's a net house. It's a trellis for the tomato plants. Planted some flowers around for pest control. You can see the yellow and blue boards here. Not much. We had some issues with the cucumber leaves, but rest all are good so far. That's a net house for you. Spread these marigold leaves here for pest control and for fungus control. That's a nursery. That's it from the net house. We'll take you to the raised beds in a while. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.